Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing a stable environment. Create a virtualenv and install PITX 3, speech recognition, Pi audio or the appropriate wheel, and play sound. Once done, verify your microphone and speaker work with a small test script so you know I/O functions. Make sure to decide whether to use local TTS and SDT or an API. Local keeps latency low, while APIs improve accuracy. Now create a project structure with main, Pi speech, Pi skills, Pi and a config file to hold keys and settings. You now implement the core loop. Listen, interpret, act, and respond. Write listen, using speech recognition with pause and timeout handling and ambient noise adjustment so accuracy improves, then pass text to an intent parser. Create speak, with PITX 3, setting voice ID, rate, and volume to sound natural. Once you have text and speak, implement a dispatcher that maps intents to functions in skills. Pi, calendar, web search, system commands, or API calls, and return a confirmation phrase for each completed action. You finalize by adding threading and graceful shutdown so long-running skills don't block voice I/O. Use a queue for requests and logging for observability. Package config and secrets properly. Add unit tests for intent parsing and mock audio. For deployment, wrap the app with a simple launcher or service. If things go wrong, first check microphone permission, sample rate mismatches, and Pi audio/Portaudio installation. Those are the most common blockers. Adjust timeouts and ambient calibration and retry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.